Welcome to our guide on enhancing your marketing campaigns with images using the Doctible platform. We'll walk you through the steps to make your patient communications more engaging and personalized. To start, select the Templates option under Campaigns. This is where you'll choose an existing template or create a new one for your campaign. It's the first step in customizing your message. Once you've selected your template, add your campaign information in the available fields. This includes details like the patient list and ensures your message reaches the right audience. Next, find the folder on your computer with the images you want to use. You can either drag and drop your chosen image into the message draft or use the upload option to browse your files. We recommend adding images that are no larger than 600 pixels in width. After adding your image, a preview of your campaign message will appear on the right side of your screen. This helps you ensure everything looks perfect before saving. To save your campaign, select Save as Template in the upper right corner. This allows you to reuse your customized message for future campaigns, saving you time and effort. It's always a good idea to test your new campaign to see if it appears as expected. Use the test option to preview your message, then schedule and send it to engage your patients effectively. Thank you for watching our tutorial on adding images to your marketing campaigns in Doctible. We hope this helps you create more engaging and personalized communications with your patients.